first of all, we should what we should do with this test point, let's just click one of them, and you see we don't want to show the designator, so click here so you don't show the designator, and you want to show comment for it, so it will be ground that you see here. And for this we want to change its font. Let's just click on this GND and change its font type to true type and bold it. You see, that's okay, but you can make it bigger, but I think it's enough for now. And there is another thing that you want to do here, just invert it. In border mode, let's just margin board should be 10 mil, so you see border that around GND is bigger, so you see that. Let's just do it another time. Let's just double click here and don't show this and show this GND here. You see this GND, click on this text and change its font type, click bold, so it will be bold, and invert it please, and go to margin border and put 10 or whatever you want in there. So you see that's okay, but there is a time that you want to do two things together, so I will select these two together, and in here I say don't show designator but show it their comments. You see all their comments is no showing. See, you did two things at one time. Let's just hold shift and select both of these and go and change its font, make it bold, inverted, and margin border should be 10. So we did two things at the same time. So let's just, we want a ground here, we want a 5 volt that is here, and I think it's better to be close together so we can probe it. Let's just put it at the corner of the board, and I want to know what I want to do. I want these to be aligned together. Let's just select both of these and hit A on your keyboard, and says that this time let's just say align left, align to your left. You see they're aligned now, and these two should be, that's good I think, because this is just silk screen. That's good for now. You know that this is GND and this is 5 volt. It's okay.